Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add overlay on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to add more than one video to your background video, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose the video that you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline track, here you can find the option of overlay. Go ahead and select it. Next, here you can find the option of add overlay. Now simply tap on it. Now choose one video that you want to add overlay. Finally, here you can see the video has been added to your video as the overlay. Now you can edit the overlay and video however you want to edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add the overlay on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.